Hi front-end techies, welcome to Angular interview questions, real interview questions for the experience 5 to 10 years from the company TCS. It's given you by UIX Docs. HR section, the first question is tell about yourself. It's a default questions. We need to explain our career, the current company which we are working, and what are the technologies we used. Second one is how you see yourself in next 5 years or 10 years. So we need to explain our career goals and objectives here. JD section, the first one is good understanding and knowledge on Angular 2 plus. Second one is good knowledge on Angular material. Third one is good knowledge on Git, AWS, Bitbucket, HTML5, CSS and JS. Project discussion section. First question is explain your current project. This is a default question. You need to emphasize on the current project we are doing and the technologies we use. What are the modules we are using? Which modules we will handle on, like that. Second question is how many projects you done on Angular. So this is to know how strong we are in Angular and how many projects we done. Third one is how you consume the REST API calls given by the backend team to make Angular applications. This is the basic thing of Angular to make the REST API calls active and get data and post in the web pages. Fourth one is how you manage to understand or work on Babel, Webpack and NPM. Explain each on how to use. So Babel, Webpack and NPM are the basic things for Angular or Node.js applications. So we must have a basic understanding on this. Front-end questions. The technology is Angular. The first question is I came to the fundamental question first. What's a component? So the component is a basic building block of any Node.js based UI applications like Angular or React or vue.Js. So we need to explain that one. The second question is why we need a component. So the need for component is to build the basic of Angular. Third one is how components talk to each other, how many ways it can communicate. So there are some 4 ways they are communicating to each other. We need to explain each way and we need to write the examples of the component communication in front-end questions. Angular. First question is did you ever see what is present in project folder structure of an Angular application? Can you explain each? So we need to explain about the SRC, about the assets, about the public folder, about the node modules, about the index.html, main.ts, like that. Second question is I'm always wonder how that component does its component to index.html. So what is main ts also they asked. So app root will automatically bind the app component. So basic page and other components are rendered through it to the router and app configuration file. We have all those things that will be rendered to the app root folder. Third one is explain your complete knowledge in Angular material. So they are asking about the Angular material. We need to explain what is Angular material. We are using that one. Web questions. The first question is how to use audio video on HTML5. Second one is how to use the spell check on HTML5. So there is a enabler for spell checking that we need to use. Audio and video enabling also available in HTML5. The source files we need to give what are the configurations we can add for audio video. That one we need to explain here. Third one is explain your knowledge on Bitbucket, AWS and Git. So this is for the basic deployment, basic cloud knowledge and Git Bitbucket knowledge they are asking. Fourth one is they are asking to write a JavaScript program to reverse a string and check the original and reverse string are same. We need to write that program here. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment to UI UX Talks Front End Techies.